Myself Vyanshi Ram, scholar of class 10th from Samboda Tibetan School, Harbatpur. The purpose of making this project is we know that increasing in population has caused a great demand on water and energy resources. Consequently, it has become to replace the renewable source of energy with conventional form of energy. So, in order to use only renewable source of energy and conserving water, we have made this project. This type of project will help our farmers so they do not have to pay any unexpected electricity bill in future, and they also prevent their crop from excess use of water or scarcity of water. Construction and working principle of this project is, in this solar panel we have fixed a LDR which sense from where more sunlight is coming, and it is move accordingly as it is a movable. From where it get more sunlight it will stop. This type of solar energy we can also use in our vehicles, because normally we use fuels and diesels for our vehicles which pollute our environment. But this is completely environment free. So we can use battery usable vehicles which will not pollute our environment, and it is completely environmental free. This type of renewable source of energy we can also use in our street lights also, and in vehicles also we can use this type of renewable source of energy. This is an irrigation field in which we have fixed a moisture sensor which senses the moisture present in the soil. Whenever there is a moisture, it will irrigate the field automatically, and whenever there is no need of water, it will not irrigate this field. It is completely automatic which saves our farmers' time. As there is enough moisture, it is not irrigating this field, and whenever there is need, it will automatically irrigate this field. As now there is enough moisture, it will send message to the relay module and it will cut the circuit automatically. This process is completely automatic.